Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope you are doing great at various aspects of your lives. Welcome to another book review podcast by Tim Think Reviews. Neeraj Pandey is well known for his films. He is a fantastic movie director, no doubt about that. A very few readers know that he authors books also. A long ago, we got a chance to read the Hindi edition of his book, Ghalib Danger, and today we are going to talk about that. By the way, the proofreading of this book is done by Manoj Muntashir Shukla, a well known lyrics and script writer. So we have even higher expectations from this book. The cover page plays an important role in book purchase and or pickup decisions for sure. Well, we are humans, we love beauty and are naturally attracted towards the same. So if the cover page is attractive, the chances that we will go for that book or for that matter any respective media gets increased. As you can see in the podcast cover, the cover page of Ghalib Danger is moderately attractive. The faded red background compensates the genre quite well. Additionally, a pistol in the top half of the cover page represents danger word quite well. The illustration of a car with broken glasses represents the incident proved to be a turning point in Kamran's life, and a book is there to represent the inclusion of a diary containing the lines by Ghalib, the famous Urdu poet. It is quite honest to the book title and story both. What do you think about this cover page? Now let us take a bird's eye view of the book plot. A taxi driver named Kamran is living his not so complicated life in Mumbai. One day, he saves the life of a person. The person was a big name in the underworld of Mumbai. And as you can guess, the life of Kamran is diverted to a different direction altogether from this point. Feeling grateful to Kamran, Mirza, the man he saved, introduces him to the dark world. The life took its path and eventually Kamran took Mirza's place. He adopted an interesting philosophy that Ghalib's poetry can be used in any situation and can even be used as an inspiration to get out of the tricky situations. And that earned him the title Ghalib Danger. Of course, he came into conflict with powerful people from various streams of business, politics, law enforcement agencies, authorities, and more. Some will definitely took his side, and some may be found in the opposition. What situations Kamran will face? Will crime never pays, no matter what your reasons are to commit the same? Proverb show its effect here also. Should a criminal be celebrated? Or the definition of good and bad are based on perspectives. What this story is trying to convey at the end? Well, you need to read the book to get your answers. And over the course, you will meet with Kamran Khan, Sonia, S.I. Avinash Sharma, Mukhtar Sheikh, Pratap Khatri, Damodar, Gruh Mantri Pramukh Joshi, Salma, Farooq Kitkit, Yakub Mental, Shankaranna, S.I. Kanitkar, Bunty, Mohsin, Chote, Samir, Arif, Nusrat, Hamid, Mirza Azmat Ali, Murli Highway, Sub Inspector Pramod Gupte, Inspector Ramesh Naik, Vidya Rai, and others. If you like masala films that are complete entertainer, you will also like to read this book. This book presents a good thriller where sarcasm, philosophy, and other such stuff also found its place. The author's idea to infuse the famous poet Ghalib's lines at various points in the story are adding spice to the story, as per my opinion. It is not easy to write a thriller that is based on a criminal. Though written solely for the entertainment purpose, the author needs to take care that in the end, the crime should get punished. The layered characters is a strong point of this book. The course of events let us uncover various layers of many of the characters. As we see in our lives, most of the people we meet has shades of grey and are not pure black or white. Thus, the layered characters are more relatable. There are some slangs and local proverbs, etc., are used that gives the book a regional flavor. For example, आरा जिला गरबातों का चीज के डरबा. It actually works in favor of the book as the incidents and characters look even more real. At the same time, the author knows that just having a regional flavor will make the reach of the book limited. So, in addition to, like say, 2013 Taloja Jail, Maharashtra, Bharat, he sets up some events in 2007 La Chapelle, Paris, France as well. As mentioned earlier, the author has explored various attributes of the book characters quite effectively, quoting some such lines in the regards of a character named Kamran. वह हमेशा सुनने और मदद करने के लिए लालायित रहता. कई बार सिर्फ सुन लेना ही अपने आप में काफ़ी होता है. उस पर कई सारी शादियां करने का इल्ज़ाम था. जब वो पकड़ा गया, अपनी 5वीं शादी के मंडप में था. 15 साल तक जैसे वो 4 बीवियां संभाल पाया था, उससे कामरान काफ़ी प्रभावित था और इसी वजह से उसने दामोदर को अपनी सेवा के लिए चुना था. कामरान को चमचे पसंद नहीं थे, लेकिन इस दुनिया में आपको सेवा तो चाहिए ही. अपनी पहली कमाई से उसने अपने लिए सिर्फ 1 रुपया रख लिया. These lines show that such fellows are smart and know the human psyche well. How otherwise they could have controlled so many people? They know the art of manipulation too well. When required, they can deliver motivational speeches also. Quoting, सलमा, हम एक ही बार पैदा होते हैं, एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम गलत फैसले लेते हैं तो हर दिन हर पल मरते हैं. हमें पता नहीं होता कि हमारे अंदर कितनी हिम्मत है. गुस्सा और प्यार किसी भी हद को तोड़ सकते हैं. Things in most of such places should not be taken for the face value. Often, the stakeholders are the one whom you expect the least. कामरान के जजमेंट डे ने 3 लोगों को चिंतित जरूर कर दिया था. फारूक किटकिट, याकूब मेंटल और सोनिया. उस दिन अंडरवर्ल्ड और पुलिस ने माना कि फली का साम्राज्य वास्तव में उसकी पत्नी नज़मा बेगम ने खड़ा किया था. कोटिंग सम मोर कैरेक्टर डिफाइनिंग लाइंस फ्रॉम द बुक. इन मुलाकातों के दौरान उन्होंने एक दूसरे को छुआ तक नहीं था, लेकिन उस दौरान के हालत इस कदर गर्म होते थे कि अगर आप कमरे में हो तो आपका डिस्चार्ज होने वाला फ़ोन 1 सेकंड में चार्ज हो सकता था. रात काली होती है और फ़ोन पर बिना चेहरे वाली खतरनाक आवाज़ का दिया मौत का पैगाम और डरावना लगता है. इसका नतीजा यह होता है कि टारगेट की नींद उड़ जाती है और उस पर डर हावी हो जाता है. द बुक इज़ नॉट ग्लोरीफाइंग द शेडी कैरेक्टर्स. इट अटर्स सम ट्रूथ्स लाइक, कानून जब अपने पर आता है तो उन लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा कष्टकारी होता है जो खुद को इससे ऊपर मानते हैं. The book has some wisdom lines that are worth sharing, so quoting them. सफलता बोझिल भी होती है और अनावश्यक रूप से ज़्यादा महत्व पाती है. जीवन में ज़्यादा स्थायी सीख हमारी विफलता से मिलती है. वो कहते हैं कि आपके पास हमेशा 2 रास्ते होते हैं, लंबा रास्ता और छोटा रास्ता. लेकिन मेरा तजुर्बा ये कहता है कि एक सही रास्ता होता है और एक गलत रास्ता. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा सही रास्ता है और कौन सा गलत? आमतौर पर सही रास्ता जरा लंबा होता है और गलत रास्ता थोड़ा छोटा. प्यार के बारे में यही सबसे अजीब बात है. वह एक ही समय में चोट भी पहुंचाता है और मरहम भी लगाता है. पैसे से खुशी खरीदी जा सकती है, इससे मुस्कान भी हासिल हो सकती है. दुख भुलाने में भी ये मदद कर सकता है. जो कहते हैं कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, वे मूर्ख है. पैसा अपने आप में बुरी चीज बिल्कुल नहीं है. एक अच्छी सेवा हमेशा आपके प्रभाव को सामने वाले पर दुगुना कर देती है. एंड यस, The author, of course, adds line representing the influence of Ghalib on Kamran's life and Mirza's too. गालिब केवल अपनी शायरी ही इस दुनिया को देकर नहीं गया, बल्कि कुंजी दे गया है जीवन की. So by now, you must have got a fair idea about the book and its content, right? Would you like to read such books? In summary, overall, Ghalib Danger is a complete masala entertainer with some dark humor and interesting twists. Thriller lovers will enjoy reading it, not for immature readers for sure. From Team Thinker Views, I would love to give it around 7.5 stars out of 10. So, have you already read the book? Are you planning to read it? What do you think about this book review? Do you find it helpful in deciding whether to go for the book or not? Please do share your genuine remarks via comments below. If you have enjoyed listening to the review, please hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends and other fellows whom you think such reviews interest more. Till we meet with our next podcast, bye bye, take care, namaskar.